In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can display your FPS while playing games here on your Steam Deck. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do is get loaded into a game. I'm going to get loaded into Call of Duty Black Ops 3 just to showcase this. I'll even skip the shaders just to keep this video short. But once you do get into a game, go ahead and open up the quick access button, or select this to open up the quick access settings. That's the three dots button on the bottom right side. And then from here, just scroll on the left sidebar until you see performance. You're going to have to go down a little bit and then you're going to be on a performance page. Once you're on the performance page, go ahead and scroll to the right until you see performance overlay level, and by default it's going to be turned off. Press A to actually adjust this, and then set it to level 1 to show your FPS up in the top left corner. As you can see, my FPS is kind of bugging out right now. And you can set it to level 2 or higher if you want even more details like CPU usage, GPU usage, RAM, frame timing. The higher the level, the more information that you're going to see on screen. Press B twice to just go back to your game. And I'm actually just going to exit out and close out right now since we got a few more videos we got to make today. If you guys did have any questions though, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.